Introduction of software decisions. In this video, we will explain how software decisions can power your software decision-making in a way that you are most likely not aware is available to you. To start off, it should be acknowledged that making decisions regarding enterprise software is a challenge. Many entities ask you that you trust them and propose they can show you the way. However, almost every source of information in the enterprise software market is financially biased. This financial bias is a primary reason why it is so difficult to find objective and accurate information on enterprise software. And some of the biggest and best-known information sources actually have the greatest financial bias. A financial bias is simple to determine. Does the information source financially benefit if their client makes a decision to go in one direction rather than another? If so, then a financial bias exists. Companies that seek out estimation from an entity should be able to do so without the concern that the entity is favoring one application or software vendor over any other. With software decisions, this is not a concern. Another problematic feature of the enterprise software market is the lack of availability of quantified criteria, leaving companies to make decisions based on anecdotes rather than hard information. In fact, several common information technology trends today have been tested by us and been shown to have poor outcomes. Yet, their popularity continues because corporate buyers are unable to access this information. In the enterprise software market, there's a strong tendency for positive outcomes to be exaggerated and for failures to be covered up. This allows flawed applications and approaches to continue to be applied for years. The excuse that quantification is difficult as each situation is unique is often used to cover up the fact that many of these things could be quantified, but entities have a disincentive to do so. For instance, one software vendor we cover in our analysis frequently addresses the importance of focusing on a low TCO in their marketing literature. However, their applications that we have tested in most cases have the highest TCO in their respective software categories. As TCO is so infrequently estimated, this software vendor can continue to make this claim without the threat of reality intervening. It is important to consider that one way or another, assumptions will be made on enterprise software, and decisions will be made based upon these assumptions. We think it's better if these assumptions are quantified in clear terms, even if accuracy is not 100%, rather than relying upon the excuse that enterprise software decision criteria are simply unknowable. Estimation of a complex area, such as enterprise software, requires a serious research database from an unbiased entity that can provide the comparative answers necessary to place decision makers on the best possible analytical footing. This, in a nutshell, describes software decisions. In terms of focus, all we do is perform calculation and estimation for enterprise software, and any services that we offer are simply focused on providing greater depth on our analytical products and improving enterprise software decision-making generally. We take the quantitative load off of executive decision makers by providing an objective and rigorous set of estimations that gives them the tools to improve decision-making. In performing research for this site, we found that all the estimation assistance for enterprise software was in the form of consulting services. This is an expensive and time-consuming alternative, made even more expensive when each of these consulting services was from an entity with a financial bias, meaning these consulting services are unlikely to lead to good outcomes for the buyers. We offer the only online enterprise software calculators anywhere, and these calculators are 100% self-service and even have demo videos explaining how to use each of them. Our calculators allow our customers to interactively change their input and learn through repeated use of the calculators at their own pace. Because we have automated the process, our calculators have no equivalent in the market, making them the most cost-effective alternative available. Our rigorous research and lack of financial bias makes us the highest quality option as well. In conclusion, our analytical products can quickly and economically lead you where you need to go. All of our calculators and analyses are available right from this website, immediately after purchase. We are highly confident of the value they can provide to companies that are serious about getting the best quality information for their enterprise software decisions.